What's up, Code Ponies? It's your boy, the Code Pony, the self-taught software engineer. Taught myself how to code.
Okay, retake.
I don't think you get it. I'm self-taught. All right. I work at IBM. Not a lead software engineer, not tech lead. Just a grunt on the totem pole. But I got with me today my boy Ryan.
What's good?
Lead software engineer at his company. I'm not going to say what it is. But we're going to be trolling TeamBlind today. Looking at some crazy posts. And if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Maybe hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get at it. Google L3 offer tripled my TC in 1 year. I mean, I want to see that. Okay, let's pick 4 more.
Good for that guy. Not interested.
All right, closing it. Oh, I gotta catch my beer real quick. All right, last week I got Facebook E5 offer and Amazon offer. What now?
All right, if these are all about or whatever, then
All right.
Let's switch to not most viewed.
All right. Let's do hot discussions. Am I just lucky? I mean, I don't know. No, let's just keep going. Crazy high total compensation.
What are these guys just milking each other on this website?
That's what it is, dude. I mean,
okay.
It's just transparency, I guess. So we know how little we make.
I mean, these are the hot ones, most viewed ones. This is what people care about. I ain't interested in any of that garbage.
All right, so you just want to see the new posts?
You might be, but no. I think we just need to keep scrolling.
Okay. I lie about leak code.
That's a good one.
Right. Hedge fund versus Fang in London sucks. Airbnb versus Google versus Facebook sucks. Looking for a low.
Wait, yeah, you have to look at that one.
All right, for sure.
Okay.
Sucks. Resume review. Nah. That looks exactly like he copied the same dude that I copied for my resume for sure.
Let's see it. I want to see it actually.
That looks exactly the same. Okay, Apple Online Store. What? Like the Apple Store? Okay, I don't care.
What about the is it just me or do interviewers not understand time complexity?
No way. Ooh, I wanted to do this one. I saw it earlier. Rejected Fang interviews even with referrals. I wanted to look at his resume.
What is Waymo?
Waymo is Google's it's like a self-driving AI company, I think. They're like training a self-driving car. And like they're supposed to be like super advanced. Okay, so you ready?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Confession. I lie about leak code. I tell my coworkers and people online I've never done leak code before. They just think I'm some type of code prodigy since I've been programming since a young age. This makes me feel very good about myself. The look on their face when I blankly ask, "What's leak code?" will never get old. Ironically, for most interviews I've had a leak code hard or medium I've seen before and I solve easily. My leak code count is 600 plus. He works at Apple. No total compensation. So this is obviously fake. Alright. What do you think about this?
I thought it was funny at first, but I'm leaning more to the sad side.
Yeah, for real. I guess that's his his self jerk.
Yeah, I mean, if that's what he needs to, I mean, it's kind of sad in one aspect, but I kind of feel him because I mean, if there's something that you find that gives you self-confidence, then you know what, screw it, go for it.
That's
dude.
his reps, bro. Instead of hitting the gym, he's leak coding. I can't get over that.
Yeah.
What is
is leak count 600 plus good?
Yeah, he's done over 600 leak code problems. That's insane, dude. But I can't imagine. I'm just imagining him saying, "What's leak code?"
Dude, I know, that's so funny. Never heard of it. That's actually me though. Before we did our last video.
Have you done any since?
No, hell no.
Whatever makes you happy. Cool story.
Yeah, that's how I feel. Like whatever makes you happy, dude. I guess.
What's leak code? How would you even ask about leak code at work? You must bring it up somehow. You look so smart.
He walks around. He walks around the office and writes it on Post-it notes so it gets into people's minds.
All right, next one.
And hopes they bring it up.
Yeah, for real. Looking for
All right, this guy.
low-paying 9-to-5 software job.
Me. I posted this.
Looking for software job, 9-to-5 type.
For the lowest salary available. Which company offers this?
Let's see. Microsoft. All right.
Mhm.
I mean, they don't pay that little, right? I'm pretty.
The first comment is a Microsoft guy. I'm serious here, not a joke.
Why do you think I'm joking? I should just tag Microsoft and see what everyone says. But I mean, they still get paid 100K plus.
Yeah, dude, just work for free,
You
bro.
can just go to India. They pay to work in India. I think it's Josh Fluke. He does these videos where he shows like crazy Indian jobs, and they're literally asking people to pay them to work for them. For like,
dude, you know what? You know what this makes me think of?
What?
This dude's trying to like embezzle money or something.
Maybe.
Like he's looking for a way to cover up illegal funds he's got. Is that embezzlement?
I think it's like cleaning money or something. Laundering money.
Yeah, it's laundering. Yeah.
Money laundering. Is this being serious?
See, like there's got to be some sort of reason.
I'm looking for a 9-to-5 software job to place a salary. Wait, hold up. Is that the same person? Max Length?
Yeah. Yeah. OP.
So he's serious.
That's what he says.
He's trying to pay less
Good
child support. Dude, that's
to
genius.
hear that.
Holy, that's actually
the reason.
mate.
That's not genius. We don't condone it.
I guess yeah, it's not genius because like he's still paying the same percentage regardless, right? I'm guessing.
I mean, yeah, I guess I don't know.
Do you know what Witch is?
No.
So Fang is like the god mode, like Facebook, Apple, Albertsons, Netflix, Google. All right. Witch is WePro.
Why is Albertsons up there?
Oh, they're
With
like
them?
top tier when it comes to software engineering companies, dude. They have like the best of the best.
What?
Yeah, it's crazy.
I did not
Like
know
their
that.
tech is like on the next level. But yeah, so Witch is like it's like the consulting companies. I'm surprised like IBM's not, but it's like all the consulting companies that are like apparently they just like I don't know, it's just not as desirable. And it's crazy that it comes out to Witch.
I wonder what the retention rate of those are.
Of IBM and stuff?
I feel like no of just like big consulting companies.
It's actually pretty high. Like Fang is like literally 2 years. Whereas consulting companies, I think it's like 10 plus maybe or something like that. There's like a list somewhere.
I feel like if I was a consultant, well, I guess if you're working for one of those, you're not consulting by yourself.
The consulting, I feel like it's actually pretty legit.
Definitely legit.
It's just like it's like not as stressful as.
If I was a consultant, though, I'd want to be independent though.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure. Like, you get paid a lot more.
Maybe their retention rate is. I figured it was super low because I feel like if I worked for a big consulting company, I'd work there like a year, make some contacts, and then try to go out on my own. Hold up, before we do the next one, let me go get some water.
Okay.
I mean beer. All right, I'm here.
Okay. Resume review for 2020 grad. I was recently referred.
2020.
Yeah, 2020. I was recently referred to Facebook, but unfortunately ended up getting rejected before an interview. I think this means my resume is not up to par, or I lack
Nope.
experience. I would love if anyone had the time to review my resume for possible red flags. I'm looking to interview with Fang. Okay, let's see
I
what's up.
guarantee you, it's neither. It's very unlikely that it's either of those.
Yeah, for real.
These resumes, they probably just like have some software that picks one out of every 100 or some shit.
Education, he has University of Kansas. He has a BS Computer Science, 3.7 GPA. Maybe University, like, I don't know. I know of Kansas. I don't know of the University of Kansas. Do you know if
It's a yeah. I mean, it's a Big 12 school.
Big 12?
Yeah.
Like, is that legit?
It's another conference. It's another big. It's like a sports conference.
Oh,
It's like the SEC.
I thought you meant like Big 12, like
It's a
of
big-
computer
it's a big
science.
school. No. It's a big school.
Okay.
Like one of the best basketball teams in the country.
Yeah, he's legitimately legit the same template I did. It's like off of Overleaf.
Crazy. I've never done it to.
Yeah, I saw that, and I was like,
Too
it looks
common.
legit. Like, I saw it off of Clem. His name is like Mike. Mikhail Clemento or whatever. He has a He has a big YouTube channel. He has like 600,000 subs, I think. But he posted.
Is it more than one page?
No, it's just one page. It's really clean. I like it
Okay.
a lot.
It's not bad.
And so experience. He's been an intern at Capital One. That's pretty legit. Migrated. I don't know what IRA means.
This is all.
Okay.
I feel like I would put nowhere near as much information.
Yeah, maybe like half for these.
Yeah.
Welski. I mean, he's an intern in 2 places. I don't understand why they wouldn't look at him. He even has a YouTube channel? Oh, but it's not about programming. Wait, I don't understand. So, he has a YouTube channel.
Yeah, it is.
What?
Yeah, it's about programming. Created a music app. Takes advantage of music theory concept to curate playlists for users.
So, that's an app. That's not
a
YouTube channel.
Spotify. The YouTube channel was probably him documenting it.
Maybe. Let's look at it real quick. YouTube Segway demo. Alright, so maybe that's why they're not looking at his profile.
I guarantee it's because his just like didn't probably get randomly picked. If he just submitted it into
I mean,
how did he say he submitted it?
He had a referral even, and he got rejected before the interview. So I mean, he checks all the boxes. He has a computer science degree. He has internships. Airbnb. I mean, that's pretty cool. Allows barbers to keep track of past haircuts of their clients.
I mean, he's got heads and tails more experience than both of us graduating.
Implemented that. I mean, this dude has some good stuff, but I can't click on that. I don't feel like typing it out. But I mean, the youtube.com/segue demo doesn't work. So I mean, if one link doesn't work, I'm assuming the other ones might not either.
Go to YouTube and search it instead.
Okay. Let's try it.
One word.
Okay.
Go back to 2 words. How you had it before. Go back up to the top. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, so I mean, I feel like your links have to be legit for the the I guess the reviewer to pick you.
Don't channels have something before your channel name, or no? Am I wrong?
If you
about
get enough subscribers, then you can
I
set
remember
your
mine.
own.
I feel like I couldn't get to mine like that.
You just have to get to like I think it's like over 100 subs or something.
Oh, okay.
It's prestige, bro.
All right.
Okay, so yeah,
Yeah, like awards and recognition.
that's the only thing I can think of.
like-
Like that would instantly destroy your credibility if your links didn't work. Like how can you be a programmer if your links don't even work?
Yeah, I mean, he definitely should fix it. I don't know if that would be a reason to get turned down, though.
And they have so many applicants. I'm sure like any arbitrary thing, they're just like, nope, next. Nine House Design Award. It sounds pretty good. So everything else, I feel like sounds great. I think if his links worked, then
I feel like the awards and recognitions stuff, like I wouldn't do that now on a resume.
yeah, maybe.
Like there's no proof of that.
Yeah, but I think if he cuts down on the bodies right here, then without the awards and recognition,
I mean, he's just doing the same thing as you want to try to fill the whole page, so he probably was just writing stuff, doing as much to try to fill the whole page.
Mm-hmm. And I think he needs to show results more. But I mean, other than that, I think it's good. He just needs to make his links work and show his result, like less information.
Right. Let's see what other people had to say.
Facebook has a freeze on E3, E4, so possible rejected due to that. Honestly, resume looks pretty good for a new grad. That's untrue.
What does that even mean?
So there's levels within Facebook, and E3 is like out of college intern level. E4 is like you have some experience as a software engineer. E5 is like almost senior level, and I think E6 is senior level. On the freeze was midway through an E4 interview a month ago, and the recruiter called me telling me they're freezing non-senior roles for the rest of the year. Okay. They're ramping up junior devs remotely. Lots of anecdotes on this as well. From Facebook. Says who?
Yeah.
Amazon. Okay. Resume is fine. May remove Airbnb because the description sounds like it was something done over a weekend and never used by anyone. Other two projects are cool. University of Kansas is not MIT, but nothing you can do about it now. You are rejected because of hiring freeze for junior roles. So only thing you can do is wait for roles to open at end of this year, next year. So I mean, this guy's from Facebook. SAP. Really? Your projects are not strong enough? Dude, I thought Airbnb was pretty cool. Yeah.
Okay, I mean.
Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Is it just me, or do interviewers not understand time complexities? I've noticed that whenever I'm given a tree problem, for example, and I am asked to provide the time complexity, the interviewer is gobsmacked when I say O of n and not O log of n. So, do interviewers think it's a tree problem that the time complexity will automatically be O log n?
Okay, yeah, this is like it's kind of a dumb one. I have no comment. Really, I have no idea.
I mean, I wouldn't know unless we saw the program.
I would assume no. It depends on who you're talking to. I mean, probably very dependent on if someone you're interviewing with is technical or not, I would guess, regardless of this being about time complexity. But
And he's talking about interviewers in general, not even like Fang interviewers, just like all interviewers.
As a whole, yeah.
Maybe his interviewer was just like dumb.
Yeah, I was about to say, if it happens to you more than once, that's kind of strange.
You think they're the ones who are wrong? I mean, it depends on where he's interviewing. I don't know. An interviewer tell me my.
I would just say ask them to explain.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good point. But shouldn't you be able to tell
I
the way they
say,
said "oh" whether they meant "oh" or "oh"? Okay. I guess he's joking. Yeah, I've seen interviewers not able to understand a different approach to the one they're familiar with and not able to think through a solution. Oh, okay. So because he's from Amazon, not at Amazon.
yeah, that also makes sense. They're given an answer, and they're,
Yeah, maybe they know it's.
if they don't want to discuss, then there's not really much you can do about it at that point.
Alright, I guess we move on to the next one. Rejected Fang interviews, even with referrals. Me. Did computer science at Target University in US with GPA. 1 year of experience at big non-tech company, ADP, and just started at Home Depot. Alright.
ADP is not a tech company.
I think it's it's a payment processing company. So I guess technically they're like maybe an accounting company with tech involved.
Okay.
I did everything I read from here and Reddit/computer science career questions to get into Fang. Graduated Target School, read the cracking the code interview from cover to end, did my 200 lead codes, and got my referral from friends. Yet when I try to go for the real deal, I can't get a single interview. Is it the pandemic? Is it my lack of personal projects? Is my resume I'm so lost. For most times in my life, there's a clear direction for me to strive for improvement. But right now, I don't know what that is. What am I missing here? Resume attached for reference. All right.
Yeah, I don't care what his resume is, but
I mean, Georgia Institute of Technology, that's supposed to be pretty good, right?
well, I mean, if what he said is true, I mean, it's pretty obvious why he's not getting interviews, isn't it?
Is it because he worked at.
Hasn't worked, has zero tech experience, and didn't do good in college.
Well, I'm thinking that he worked at a Home Depot as a programmer, right? Wait, okay, so big non tech company.
Definitely not. He should definitely not put that.
Yeah,
Why is he putting that?
I don't understand. What? Bro, like, why would.
Way too much. There's way too much text on this
Yeah, this is
page.
like.
For
My brain is fried. Like, I don't even want to read this.
This is similar to what my old resume looked like, though.
Yeah, Jarrett?
Well, way less. Mine is way less text, though. But
Man. I'm not reading this. Alright, so he went to Georgia Tech and.
maybe let's see back. Oh, so he does have experience.
Wait,
Okay,
where?
he said that foreign e-commerce company,
Okay.
back end software engineer intern.
But why wouldn't he list the name of the
Oh,
company?
maybe he changed it or something because he didn't want to put it on the website.
Yeah, but I mean, he put ADP and Home Depot up here. So.
Yeah, yeah. Good question. See how he's got like he doesn't have his email or his phone number either. He's altered it for the website.
Okay. Alright, yeah. Alright.
So that might be it.
Big beverage company. So, I mean, if he had the real names in here, it would be pretty legit, except, I mean, very tiring to read, for sure. Okay.
I'm confused why he put all that stuff in his question and he has all that other experience.
I don't know. But, okay, so failure sucks, it builds character, right? Yeah, this is what we thought. Resume is hard to read, too dense. It's interesting that you point out you're a citizen. When did you try applying? Have you tried LinkedIn or getting a referral? Yeah, so in the title it says with referrals. So even when I tried without referrals, it could take even a year before I heard back. Okay. One year of experience is a weird point to switch. You're not at L4. L4 is like a Google level, I think. Okay. I don't have a degree in CS. So he works in defense.
What does with referral even mean? I mean, other than what it obviously means is being referred to. Does that mean like they got referred by someone that works there or something?
Yeah, so he got a referral from someone that works there, and he still didn't get hired. He still didn't get a chance. So normally, if you get a referral, you have a higher chance because like you have someone inside the company like vouching for you. But that just means someone vouched for him, and then the HR guy was like, or girl was like, nah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm puzzled to why you wouldn't at least get interviews.
Dude, these things are just so like, there's so many factors that can go into a company's like resume selection process. I just, without knowing exactly how they select resumes, I feel like it's pointless to even
Yeah, I think
basically just keep failing and trying. Basically,
the HR person just
definitely needs to slim this down. But
yeah, seriously.
I mean, other than that, I mean, it doesn't really seem that bad to me, honestly.
Yeah, I think it's a styling issue too. So he'll probably get
I mean,
more
it
after
looks like
this.
he worked. It also looks like he worked at a lot of places. Oh wait, no, September 2016 all the way to current. I mean, he's worked at.
So it's been
I'm so confused with his why he described himself like that in the question, and he has almost 4 years of experience.
so in total he has okay. Here is I guess 3 months.
Yeah, almost exactly 4 years.
Well, 3 months,
Oh, I guess. Oh, yeah, I guess
two
it's not. It's
months,
not all the way.
um,
Yeah, 4 months.
4. So it's like 10 months total so far, right? Or 9 months.
Yeah, and then a year. So so almost 2 years. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, keep going. I guess to the comments.
Yeah, I mean they all basically said that they don't know why, and it looks his resume is too dense.
Yeah. Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, the accomplishments thing is important, I think, instead of listing out what you did. Take up SAT score.
Well, yeah, I feel like SAT score doesn't matter even a little bit. It gets you into college,
Yeah. All right, so
and it's a standardized test, which is like, whatever. Yeah, I don't think you should have your SAT score on there anyway.
yeah, like, do you even list your high school?
No.
Yeah, I don't have my high school either. All right, well, if you guys had any like other comments about these posts, at this comment section below, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that comment button. Tell me what you think. If you like it, hate it, I want to know. This is Code Pony out. See you next time. Peace.